Joining me right now is Union Minister Ms. Shobha Karandlaje. Ma'am, you went to the Speaker along with a delegation of women BJP MPs and you complained about Rahul Gandhi's inappropriate behavior. What happened inside the House, ma'am?
After speaking, after his speech, Rahul Gandhi's speech, Smriti Irani ji was stood up. She was the next speaker. And Rahul Gandhi came a little forward and shown the victory signal, and also he behaved like he is given plain kiss to all of us, like he behaved like that. It is totally indecent, inappropriate, and also insult to the women. Inside the parliament giving plain kiss is totally objectionable, and also we complained Speaker take stringent action and also take the all CC camera footages and take action.
What sort of action are you expecting against Rahul Gandhi?
This is like insult to us, insult to the women of India. Inside the Parliament House, ये देश का मंदिर है, डेमोक्रेसी का मंदिर है. मंदिर का अंदर ऐसे बिहेवियर करना एक ऐसा नेता है, कैसा मेंबर है, मेंबर के ऊपर कार्यवाही करना ही करना एंड टेक एक्शन.
भारत माता की और भारत छोड़ो की बात करते हैं, लेकिन संस्कृति के बारे में वो जानते नहीं है. जो ये मंदिर है हमारा लोकसभा मंदिर में जब प्रधानमंत्री जी पहली बार आए, नमन करके भारत माता का नमन करके पार्लियामेंट के अंदर प्रवेश किया, उसी के अंदर जब वो बोल रहे थे तो बीच में भी वो आंख मार रहे थे. उनका जो बिहेवियर है, जो स्पीकर के सामने कभी पत्र फेंके जाते हैं, फाड़े जाते हैं, उनके प्रति चले जाते हैं, उनके नेता को बचाव करने के लिए बहुत बार देखा, लेकिन ये जेस्चर पहली बार देखा. जाते जाते उन्होंने हवा में किस पैरा के फ्लाइंग किस करके जो उन्होंने वेव किया, वो हमें बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. हमारी संस्कृति के विरुद्ध है. जहां इतनी महिला सांसद मंत्रियां बैठी थी, वहां उनका व्यवहार, अभद्र व्यवहार जो हम सहन पार्लियामेंट के अंदर नहीं करेंगे.
स्पीकर से आपने कुछ?
हम लोगों ने स्पीकर को बोला है कि आप जो फुटेज है वो निकाल कर हमें बता दीजिए.
Rahul Gandhi does not know how to behave inside Parliament. Last time he was winking inside Parliament, and now he blows a flying kiss towards women parliamentarians on a day when they said they wanted to have a discussion on women's issues, on a day when they said that the discussion should have seriousness. That Rahul Gandhi behaves in this manner.
It's just shameful from BJP women who are saying like that. It's not aimed at any woman in the parliament. There are a lot of plenty of members who are from BJP sitting in the treasury benches. See, our heart is clean. Our heart is filled with love. Our heart is filled with compassion. But their heart is filled with, unfortunately, hatred. They look at everything differently. Just because their heart is filled with hatred and ego, Rahulji's speech is pretty much about that. And he sent a love to them. Nothing more than that. If anybody making out of anything out of this kind of very nice and beautiful gesture, it's in their heart. Ugliness is in their heart, not with Rahulji or the Congress.